Guys, imagine having an entire trading desk inside a single Telegram chat, watching the market 24/7, letting you fire off trades in seconds while everyone else is still loading Deck Screener or their Web3 wallet. If you're a full-time trader, a part-time trader, a degenerate trader, DeepBot gives you one place to do everything. You can spot new opportunities, execute trades within seconds. You've got an integrated Telegram bot. You've got a wallet connected to your Telegram bot, so you can trade just as you would with your Web3 interface. We're about to release DeepBot Link, which is a web interface. So essentially, you can trade across any of these platforms with one single account. So if you want to see how this works, stick around, subscribe to the channel, and put your notifications on. I'm dropping full walkthroughs, live trading sessions, and strategy breakdowns using DeepBot. If you're ready to try it, hit the link, open the bot in Telegram, and take your first trade with me in the next video. Thanks for joining.
Okay, let's go.